Here we have a 2018 L4H3 Ford Transit in white. This is a fridge freezer van, so it can go down to -25 with overnight standby, as you can see up the top there. 2 keys, full service history. It's come direct from a very large company near to us. They've owned it from new. Just had a service costing £1,000 by the previous owner. Full, absolutely stacks of service history. You couldn't get any better. I think every service they've had, it's probably been over serviced in a way. You can see with the receipts, having a lot of stuff replaced annually, just preventative stuff, tyres, brake pads, as they've also been doing a lot of mileage in it. Bodywork, as you can see, is below average. It has dents, it has marks, but this is reflected in the price. You're going to struggle to find a jumbo freezer van with overnight standby, which is ULEZ compliant, for a similar price. Mechanically, it's all good. There's no warning lights. The engine is fine. The gearbox is fine. The rear diff is fine. There's no whines coming from there. Seats are in good condition. We have just had it valeted. Turn the vehicle on. As you can see, all the lights go on and off as they should do. Full power. There's no smoke when you rev it hard. No limp modes. See, that's just the handbrake light. No messages on the LED display. Steering, power steering's all fully functional. Changes gear effortlessly, as you can see. 5, 6, reverse, no crunches in reverse. It's not too tough in neutral to change gear. One thing I would point out is I think the clutch is slightly heavier than it should be. It doesn't slip, it doesn't do anything that it shouldn't. However, the pedal, maybe being a bit critical, but it does seem to me to be a little bit heavy. So I'll turn on the fridge unit and you'll hear that kicking in a second. This is the impeccable service history which I was mentioning. So if I just show you this was the last service done at 185, £1,200 service, 180,000. It had you can see various things: battery, radiator, coolant, 2,600. They're a very large company and they spend large amounts of money because they need to keep their vehicles on the road at all times. So it's been very, very, very well maintained. £178,800 spent on it. Injector pipe service. That is previous MOT, no advisories. July, £1,600 spent on it. Service, brakes. 2nd of May, £150,700 spent on a service. £137,000 spent on it. Full service. 27th of January, full service. Oh no, this is a rear inner door panel, replace parts for the fridge unit. We've got a service here in 2020 done at Ford. Another service done at Ford. 130,000 major service, pads, anti-roll bar link, bulbs. So you really get the idea of just how much money it's had spent on it. 114,000, 2,300 spent on it. See there. June 21, 96,000. Suspension, parts, service, May 21. Service. I think we're pretty much there now. Yeah. So that shows you just how well maintained this vehicle has been. It's dropping down in temperature very quickly. If we just hold this button down, you'll see that in maximum alarm, you can set it to -24, so that will keep travelling down as it should. All in all, very, very nice van, great value for money. I will quickly, actually I will leave it running and show you in the back. Really getting cold, you can feel it, very well insulated, as you can see, all working as it should do. Buying a ULEZ van like this is going to save you an awful lot of money. A brand new one of these is probably £30,000, if not more. So why spend all that money on a brand new one when you can buy one like this? It's been so well maintained. Okay, it's not quite in the same bodywork condition, but you're saving an awful lot of money. It probably would look a lot better just with some sign writing of your company, just to take your eye off the bodywork. Any questions, please get in contact. Our number is 01753 267 270. Thanks a lot for your time watching the video, and hope to see you having a look at the van soon. Bye bye.